everyone, in this tutorial I will show you how to translate your Canva designs into any language using Canva built-in Translate app. Okay, let's get started. First, just go to Apps tab and then search for Translate. Click these apps. Now just choose the language that you want to translate to. And in this tutorial I will translate to Japanese. And here some languages will give you extra options like changing the tone of voice, like for professional, friendly, conversational, informative, inspirational, or original. And in this tutorial I will just keep it original. And below that you can decide whether to translate all pages in your design or just a specific one. In this tutorial I will select text from current page like this, and then I will uncheck list some elements here since I don't want it included. After that, you can go to settings to further settings. By default, Canva may adjust font size during translations, and if you want to lock the original font size, just uncheck these options, reduce font size to fit. And Canva also will duplicate the page with the translations, so you still keep the originals, and if you prefer not to, you can turn that off as well. And once everything's set, just click Translate. And as you can see, all the text is now in Japanese. And another way to access Translate is by clicking on your text and then click three dots icons. Scroll down and then just choose Translate text. It's same steps but just a different way in. And that's it. Translating your designs in Canva is super fast and easy. Okay, maybe that's it. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you.